Hello and welcome back. It's great to have you here with me again as we explore more useful English grammar tips together. Today's topic is something that a lot of learners get confused about, and I'm so glad you're here for it. A viewer named Skylar reached out with a thoughtful question that many learners wonder about. What is the difference between the words someone, everyone, and everybody? And more importantly, are these words singular or plural? Let's clear that up in a way that not only makes sense but helps you remember it for real conversations. First, it's important to understand that while these words refer to groups or individuals in a group, they are actually all grammatically singular. That's right. Even though everyone and everybody seem to be talking about a lot of people, we treat them as singular when it comes to verbs and agreement in sentences. Someone also refers to one unidentified person within a group, and again, it is singular. For instance, you would say, someone is knocking at the door, not someone are. Similarly, you'd say, everyone is ready, or everybody is excited, even though you're clearly referring to a large group of people. The reason this can be confusing is that the meanings of everyone and everybody imply all people in a group. But grammatically, they still function as singular nouns. The verbs that follow them take the singular form. It's one of those unique things about English where the meaning points in one direction, but the grammar rules take us somewhere else. Now let's look at how they differ in usage. Someone is used when we are talking about a person, but we either don't know who it is or we choose not to say. It's anonymous, it's vague, and it's often used when the identity doesn't matter. For example, someone left their phone on the table. You're not identifying the person, you're just pointing out that a person from the group did something. On the other hand, everyone and everybody mean all the people in the group, with no exceptions. These two words are completely interchangeable. You can use either one in a sentence and the meaning won't change at all. For example, everyone enjoyed the party, and everybody enjoyed the party mean exactly the same thing. It really comes down to your personal preference and what sounds more natural to you when speaking or writing. Some people think everybody sounds a bit more casual, while everyone might feel slightly more formal, but grammatically, they are identical. Now, something important to keep in mind is that English has quite a few of these words that look like they should be plural, but actually follow singular rules. Understanding that can really help you speak and write with more confidence. Learning these patterns will help you spot them in real conversations and use them naturally without second-guessing yourself. That's why building your vocabulary and strengthening your grammar skills go hand in hand. The more familiar you become with how English handles these structures, the easier it becomes to express yourself clearly and naturally. If you've found this tip helpful, and you're looking for even more support on your English journey, you're always welcome to visit the Mr. English Teacher YouTube channel. There's a whole collection of lessons there for you. You can also check out our podcast where we share practical English learning tips every week, designed to help you understand native speech and build your own fluency. And of course, don't forget to follow us on social media for regular updates, quick grammar facts, and inspiring reminders to keep going. Learning English is not just about memorizing rules. It's about understanding how real people use the language and becoming part of that global conversation. You're doing an amazing job by being here, by asking questions, and by staying curious. Keep showing up, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every time you listen, speak, read, or write in English, you're making progress. Thank you so much for being part of this learning community. I appreciate your time, your attention, and your passion for growth. We'll be back with more tips, more grammar explanations, and more ways to help you speak real English with confidence. Until next time, take care and keep learning.